Algae is one of the most diverse and abundant forms of life on Earth. Remarkably, we know very little about these organisms. Algae may hold the key to improving almost every area of our lives and addressing some of the planet's most pressing issues.
Algae are some of the most important life forms on Earth. Their primary purpose is to convert carbon dioxide into the majority of the air that we breathe. There are thousands of different strains of algae, and it can be found everywhere. You can find it in the polar ice caps, inside volcanoes. It grows in freshwater and saltwater, and it's even been found in the clouds.
So algae is something that you'd be amazed to see. It's basically in everything that you eat. It's in cheeses, it's in peanut butter, it's in creams such as mayonnaise, it's in baby formula. Every drop of baby formula has algae that helps to make babies smarter. It's because algae has proteins, it has healthy fats, and also has carbohydrates like starch. Algae also has the property of gelling or making food more creamy, which allows you then to have a better cheese or a better peanut butter because of what algae brings to the food. Algae gives us a way to have a natural component that allows us to do something without synthetic chemicals.
Algae is the complete package. As we look to address the growing needs of our growing population, we need to address more than just protein. The diversity of algae has the potential to add back to our food chain vital nutrients that seem to be missing in refined foods.
Heliae, an applied life sciences and technology company, is dedicated to unlocking the potential of algae and other similarly undeveloped organisms for the purpose of bringing new and useful biological products to market.
Heliae is an innovative company that uses applied life sciences and technology to help the world provide solutions for the resources that are being quickly depleted that support our growing population. And here at Heliae, we have developed agricultural products to improve soil fertility, nutritional products to improve health in fish and animals and people, and our future vision is to provide alternative low-cost sources of food, specifically protein, to help feed the world.
Heliae has developed a unique mixotrophic platform, which is a hybrid of phototrophic and heterotrophic systems. This platform allows for a decreased production cost while maintaining high quality.
Commercial algae has actually been grown for many, many years, but it's been grown typically using two different methods. One is a phototrophic method, which utilizes sunlight and CO2 and water, and the other is a heterotrophic method, which is essentially fermentation, which is grown in tanks using carbon-based feedstocks. What we've done is combine the two and taken the best of both, and we call it mixotrophic. Our mixotrophic approach uses the lower cost platforms of phototrophic, but also gets the high volume at a lower cost production rate of heterotrophic.
The Heliae mixotrophic system reduces cost by increasing productivity. We can actually achieve 100 times greater algae in the same amount of time compared with traditional systems. By tightly regulating the inputs and process conditions, we can achieve the quality and consistency that our customers need.
I think what's revolutionary about Heliae as a company is that they have taken a long-term view and they have a focus on the potential of unlocking the value of microalgae. Most algae companies tend to focus on one particular part of the innovation cycle. So they'll focus on strain development, or they'll focus on technology development, or they'll focus on a market sector like biofuels or nutraceuticals. The value with Heliae is that given that this is a technology at its very early stage, they're looking at all of the different aspects. So it means that they're building up a strong sense of the organisms. They know these organisms. They know how to manipulate the organisms to the value of their end product. And I don't think anybody else has that.
Heliae is also the first company to manufacture and commercialize a microalgae-based agricultural product at commercial scale.
Phycoterra is an all-natural algae product that helps restore and supplement soil and plants. This helps plants grow better. Phycoterra is made with our unique mixotrophic algae production system. This means it's one of a kind, it's first in class. There's nothing else today for plant agriculture quite like this product. Not only does the product get amazing yield results and other benefits for farmers, but it does it in a natural and sustainable way. We've been conducting studies with Phycoterra for some time now, and our recent findings have shown that Phycoterra is helping improve plant growth in 3 unique ways. So first of all, Phycoterra helps with emergence. That's getting plants out of the soil quicker. This has been shown to improve overall plant outcomes, and we've seen this from tomatoes to pole beans to potatoes. Secondly, Phycoterra improves the overall yield or size of the plants. So in our studies we did with the University of Georgia, we saw a 30% increase in the yield or size of that harvest when Phycoterra was applied. And third and finally, Phycoterra helps in terms of the quality of the products of those plants. So when we think about the fruits and the seeds, for example, they're better with Phycoterra. In green peppers, we saw that there was an over 40% increase in the quality of the green peppers we got when Phycoterra was applied. So we're really excited about these recent studies because they're showing us key ways that Phycoterra can help farmers and other people use agricultural products. Phycoterra is our flagship agricultural product, but what we've seen with it is that it's particularly good for growing vegetables and fruits. And there's so many more aspects of agriculture, so we're bringing more of our technology to market for those other areas. For example, our Fidelity product, which we're launching this year, is specifically formulated for row crops, such as corn and wheat. Our Vertify product is formulated to make grass and turf more lush and green. In addition to plant agriculture, we also work in animal agriculture. So our Lacero product helps make healthier beef, chicken, pigs, and our Niaxa product is a natural pigment that can be used for the aquaculture market. In addition to nutrition and plant agriculture, we also work in materials. So Heliae is developing novel materials for things that range from car seats to surfboards, and pigments for food products. And then finally, beyond all of that, Heliae makes our technology available throughout the world. Our own advanced joint venture, Alvita, is a good example where we're taking our technology, making it available to our partners in Japan so they can make algae products for that market. Algae is really probably the last great frontier for biology and life science. Algae has been completely overlooked, not only by people like you and me, but also by the scientific community. We're really excited about what we're doing here at Heliae because we're going to be able to unlock the potential of all that algae to bring more and more products in agriculture, in health and nutrition, medicine, cosmetics, and other applications that are going to be able to help people's lives be better.